Woohoo! Alright, greetings and salutations, my beautiful souls, my glistening goddesses, and my children out there. As you guys can see, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, and I want to do something on Saturdays where it's like Saturday's scoops or Saturday steals or whatever, where basically I either unbox stuff or I show off stuff that I got throughout the week that I did not record because I didn't have my camera on me. Also, before we get into this video, I do have a pop-up, a meet and greet, and there is a huge vintage extravaganza all on the same day at the same damn time, September 15th. It's called Dated Faded Worn. I highly suggest anyone in Texas pull up. It's going down. We have over 47 vintage vendors that are gonna be there, so it's gonna be a good time. And you guys can pull up, get exclusive gear, and meet your boy. Now, I also wanna go ahead and shout out some of you guys dropping comments. The boy Bushmane187. Got that Bushmane. Ooh, boy, you get some Manscaped hedge clippers. It says, bro, where the fuck has the big dog Lil Kinky been? Need more videos with him. Hey, Lil Kinky, he does work late nights, and when he's off, I hit him up every single day to hit the thrist with me, and that fool be sleeping. He'd be like, bet. Next day, I'm like, yo, and he's like, so that's that story. I do miss him in the videos, but we still kick it fairly consistently. And then the homie Voltron Supreme. Now, this dude, I know he loves me deep down. Sometimes he be hating on me, but he said, Paul posting twice a week now. YouTube must be taking all his money. Not anymore, got the copyrights under control. And I've been posting more just because I want to be more consistent and habitual with being a YouTuber, because I kind of take this shit semi-seriously and I want to be in it to win it, boys. So speaking of which, I checked my P.O. box and I got a bunch of stuff from y'all. So this is really just like appreciating my supporters on this Saturday Supporter Appreciation Day. Hello. We got 5 parcels and boxes. Woo! So I actually got seven,
bro,
packages, but 2 of them came to my P.O. box were actually returned from Thrift Heaven. So that means 2 of you guys typed in your address wrong. What are you doing? Now I'm gonna have to figure this out and try and get you guys your packages because you made typos and you got my hopes up. I was like, dang, I got a lot of stuff, but come on guys, get your act together. All right, so we're gonna start off with something light. This actually isn't even a gift from you guys. This is straight up off eBay. I just saw it lying around, so I was like, why not include it? And some people on eBay actually F's with your boy, so they wrapped it up in some paper. I don't remember. Ooh! All right, this is a crisper, bro. A honey chipotle chicken crisper, cherry color scheme. It's this beautiful Nike jacket right here. Got 2 little navy stripages, just a clean colorway. I like finding nice little steals on eBay every twice in a while, so shout out this Nike jacket. All right, so the first actual package sent to my P.O. box is international. Jeez, that means someone dropped some money on it shipping. So let's, dang, I know you guys saw that. Bro, I'm gonna replay that in slow-mo. All right. Dude, there's just stuff falling everywhere. So I got that Fanta, wanna Fanta, don't you wanna? Pin right there, that's cool. Dude, there's just hella little extras in here. I also got this sherbet fountain eraser. Thank you. And some power pastilles. I don't know what country of origin this is from. Dude, what is all this stuff? There's just stuff falling everywhere out of here. So, yeah. I don't know what this is or what country this is from. I think it might be low-key Italian, because that's a Kappa jersey on a basketball player. Oh no, it says British basketball. I'm done. All right. This note says, to my boy Paul. Oh no, to my boy Paul. Just wanted to treat you with a bag of goodies from England. I went round some charity shops / car boot sales to see what I could nab. These are the finds to Five Guys Company's signature flames with the United Kingdom flag embroidered in the back. The Jordan, this is so nice that you like it. If you want to cup in the world, would you? That's insane. Love you, bro. Josh. All right, that's a terrible accent. Good day, mate. That's not even the same country. Yeah, the homie threw in this little Jordan 5 Sunday ice cream truck tee. Hey, this super soft. I might sleep in this. Just this, nothing else. Get that little mental image. And then the homie threw in the Five Guys hat with the British flag on the back. So you know he's from the UK, eh? Sick, dude. I appreciate the letter. Sorry I read it in a foreign language, but you guys be having accents on the coup. Is this still recording? Oh, it is! All right. So shout out from the homie Josh in the UK. I appreciate you, bro. I'm sorry for massacring your letter for real. We also have this big old box. It's from that boy Jacob Branham. He's from California. Lil Cali boy. Alright, finally I can whip out Trish, the blonde hair bitch, for this one right here. These unboxings really hype me up. There is a letter in the package. It says, the Thrift Guide, aka Mr. Paul Cantu. Thanks again for the support, homie. You're welcome. The two big packages are what you picked up, and the small one on top is a gift for you. The two what? Or what you picked up. I don't know what that means. And the top one is a gift for you. Enjoy, man. From Jake at the Family Thrifts. Shout that boy Jake, man. Dang, he wrapped these things. All right, let's see what's in here, man. All right, so the top package in the tie-dye envelope. Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up, boys? What do I hate? I hate a Goofy especially, bro.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Look at Goofy right there. Is he playing volleyball? It says, yeah, beach volley right there. This is brand new with tags. Dog, I hate a Goofy especially. You guys know, man, this really hits my heart. I have no Goofy like shirts that I like the way they fit. And this one I can tell is gonna fit good. It's super soft and all over print. Appreciate you, my boy Jake. Damn, I love you, dog. Shout out Goofy.
I hate a Goofy especially.
All right, in the next package, okay. So I ordered a bunch of these shirts from the homie, so I bought them, and these will be hitting my website. They are super dope. It says Operation Desert Storm Bomb Iraq Day and Night. Wow. Let's kill some civilians, boys. Yeah, boys. That's crazy. It says until Saddam sees the light. Oh, that's a bar, dude. Yo, bomb Iraq all day and night until Saddam sees the light. Okay, anyways, I support the US troops. So this is cool, man. I mean, it's historic. Yeah, dude. Got some stealth bombers. That's what's up. Okay, so these are awesome. I have like, I think 11 of them. So yeah, thriftheavenvintage.com. You guys know what time it is. Link in the description. Okay, last and certainly not least, we have a big package that is light, so it makes me look athletic and more strong than I actually am. Perfect. And this says from Shorty's mom. So shout out my Shorty and shout out her mom. I assume that's who this is from. Just doing some deep dive into investigative research. All right, so we got Trish. Let's go ahead and chop into this guy. Oh, shout out my Shorty's family too, man. They watch all the videos. So much love. So much. They got notifications on, so if y'all don't, what are y'all doing, man? Y'all tripping. All right. So we in there like swimwear, boys. Splash. Oh! Boy, this is fire, dude. Oh, okay. Bruh. Peep game at this plush, dude. Oh my God. I saw the top and I legit thought it was like a crusty, excuse me, I'm just so beside myself. I thought it was a Krusty the Clown plush, but it's Bart rocking the Krusty merch. Bruh, this is like 2 plushes in 1. What? Alright, this is crazy. I love his outfit. This plush is large. This definitely could be a small child. It is the size of an infant, or maybe even like a little 2-year-old. But yeah, I can throw some J's on his feet if I feel entitled to do so. Shout out Miley Cyrus. And dude, I appreciate it. Shorty's mom. I'm not gonna put your government name out there because I don't want the children following you around. Alright, cool, man. This is dope. I appreciate it. This is high-key the best thing that got sent to me in this unboxing, but I don't pick favorites. I like the Goofy tee too, though. I don't know, man. They're both just so hard. I appreciate you guys so much. My P.O. box is in the description. Thanks again. Hopefully you guys just enjoyed this quick and sexy little content. If you don't, let me know and I'll quit making it. But yeah, live the dream, eat that vegan ice cream. As always, I do appreciate you guys and just everyone dropping comments and watching the videos in and of themselves. That's why I do this. And yeah, just dope, bruh. This is dope. I love y'all. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.